Hi, I'm Ellie from Clumhouse, and I'm going to show you how to use a walking foot. So here's a walking foot, and it's got this lever right here that actually sits on top of the adjustment screw for your needle, and every time that lifts up and down, these feet here look like they're walking, and they are. They're helping to feed the fabric through from the top and the bottom. So let's go ahead and put it on the machine. The first thing I'm going to do is unscrew the shank from the presser foot bar. Get that out of the way. Unscrew my screw a little more, and then I'm going to pull the walking foot in. But first I'm going to rotate the hand wheel so that the wing nut from the needle bar is a little bit lower, and that's going to make it easier for me to put this on top of it. Okay, once I have the walking foot in place, I'm just going to finger tighten the screw and then come back in with my screwdriver to tighten it down until it's secure. And now I'm going to just put my needle back in, and I'll be ready to sew some bulky seams. I can sew as if the walking foot is just a normal presser foot. And we're off.